Dearest camper and staff community, it's been 8 long years since the rimfire, and we've accomplished so much together. The finish line is slowly coming into view. As we look down at our sacred Camp Tuolumne, you can see buildings, tents, trees, and camp spirit, all rising from the ashes. In June, the new staff cabins looked like this. But by September, they were done. Decks, pathways, and bathrooms, all completed and raring to go for staff to move in. The new bridge was built last spring. Overlooking the beautiful Tuolumne River, we saw the rec hall, dining hall, and pedestrian bridge all take their places this summer. Let's go inside the rec hall and imagine yoga in the morning and arts and crafts in the cool afternoon. Spectacular. Going out to the deck, we can see the beautiful dining hall taking shape. In June it looked like this, and there was no bridge, but by September it looked like this with our bridge across the river. Now let's take you to the new tents. They're beautiful, with twice as much space between them, and the stars at night will be magnificent. Inside the brand new D Hall, with views of the river, and a beautiful new fabulous fireplace that is two-sided inside and outside. Let's go outside past the green chair circle to the new stone showers at Lower Beach. This is what it looked like in June. And by September, this is what it looks like now. The river will guide us all the way back to Beaverhead Rock, and we are less than 1 year away from opening our doors and getting back to sitting by the river. We'd love to thank everyone who has helped us get there. We're almost there. Let's cross the finish line together and be back at Camp Tuolumne.